Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told a cargo helicopter delivers only 100-pound packages and 120-pound packages. For the delivery trip, the helicopter must carry at least 10 packages, and the total weight of the packages can be at most 1,100 pounds. We're asked what is the maximum number of 120-pound packages that the helicopter can carry per trip. So let's say that all 10 of our packages were the 120 pounds. Then the total weight would be 10 times 120, which is 1,200. Right, so this is too much. We need to get it at most 1,100. So now we just go down by one, and we see, okay, let's say one of the packages is one of the 100 ones. So 100 pounds, plus now we're at 9 of the 120s. This is 100, plus 9 times 120 is 1,080, and this is equal to 1,180. Okay, still too much, so let's get another of the lighter packages and take away one of the heavier ones. So now we have 2 times 100 plus 8 times 120 equals 200, plus 8 times 120 is 960, and this is equal to 1,160. Just keep doing this until we hit 1,100. 3 times 100 plus 7 times 120 is 300 plus 840, which is 1,140. 4 times 100 plus 6 times 120 is 400 plus 720 is 1,120. And 5 times 100 plus 5 times 120 is 500 plus 600 is 1,100 pounds. So the maximum number of 120-pound packages is 5, right? Any more than that, and you're either going to go over the weight limit or you're not going to have enough packages. So 5C is going to be your final answer. There is another way to do this with inequalities and trying to find the solution set of those, but I think this way is a lot more straightforward and easier to actually do on the test, but you can do either way. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.